Designed to suit every drum handling application, our range of counterbalance drum lifters makes lifting and moving drums safer and easier. Whether you're lifting a single drum each day or moving hundreds across a busy factory, we have a drum lifter to suit your operation. Designed to handle a broad range of steel, plastic, and fiberboard drum types, our lifters accommodate sizes from 50 to 220 litres, making drum handling simple and more efficient. For low-volume drum handling, the DTP-08 manual drum lifter is the ideal solution. Featuring a universal drum catch, manual hydraulic lift, and rear-wheel steering, it enables operators to lift a wide range of drum types from floor to pallet and pallet to floor, even in tight or confined spaces. The manual drum lifter is also available as a fully certified ATEX rated model, making it suitable for use in flammable and explosive environments, including classified zones 1, 2, 21, and 22. For higher volume operations, the DTP-08EL electric lift model is designed to make lifting heavy drums virtually effortless. Its electric hydraulic lift system significantly reduces operator strain, improving productivity while maintaining safe, controlled drum handling. When high-volume drum lifting and longer travel distances are required, our new fully electric model eliminates all manual handling associated with lifting and moving drums. Powered by a fast-charging 24-volt lithium-ion battery, it enables smooth, safe, and effortless movement throughout larger facilities. An ergonomically designed tiller with easy access controls, including dual butterfly drive controls, turtle speed for precise maneuvering, an LED battery indicator, emergency reverse safety feature, and lockout access feature, ensures precise control and enhanced operator safety at all times. With a drum lifter to suit every application, we've got you covered. Contact STS today to discuss your specific drum handling requirements.